In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your life from someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit at that icon and select Settings. On Settings, tap at Privacy and then tap at Live. And that's where you can hide your future lives from someone. Just hit right here where it says hide live from, and then you will be able to select those persons whom you want to hide your life from. Just by check marking those persons, you can add them to that hide from list. If you got a lot of users here, you can use search to search by their username for some specific user in that way, so you can easily find any user. After that, just don't forget to hit at done. Now it says 4 people, and that means that from now on these 4 people will not be able to watch my stories and lives. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.